Have you taken time to think about your future, for your retirement, for the life you're gonna have after you finish work? Are you stuck in the 9 to 5 grind where you work so hard every day from Monday to Friday, and then the weekends is just, finished up or eaten up with household chores, or visiting family, friends, and you never get the time to think about the future, where you are heading, how your life is going to be when you reach that retirement age? Or for some people it might be they can't decide on a goal when they actually want to retire. Let's say their goal is to retire in maybe 5 years, 10 years, 15 years. But you know what, all that needs a very very smart and diligent thinking from you, and it takes time, and you need to give it a dedicated time. But let me promise you, if you're working in a big corporate company or you're working a hard job, and where you all your energy and drive has is eaten up by your job, then you don't really have much time to think about your future, or you don't even think like that you have to at some stage think about your future. So of course you have to go to your job, of course you have to provide for your family, but at the same time you also need to come up with dedicated time or spots of time during your week where you're thinking about yourself. Okay, you're working for the boss, you're working for the company, that's really good, you're working for your family, that's really good, but you also need to decide and put some conscious effort into building a future as well. I'm not saying you spend the whole time into your building your future. You live in the present, but you also decide on the future as well. Okay, you allocate maybe 2 hours every week. For some it might be 10 hours every week, but you need to take some time out and think about the future, how you're going to build your wealth. It's important to sit down with your family as well and tell them what you want to do and how they can help you with that kind of goal. So I would suggest to everyone watching this video and to their friends and family, always take some time out to manage your future. It's not going to be far. Every time we talk to different people, we say, oh, the time is going so fast. 1 year's gone, a month goes, a week goes, and we don't have any idea where it went. So similarly, we will reach the retirement age very soon, and then we don't want to be caught up in a situation where we never did anything about our future. We just worked for the week, we spent the money, and we never thought of creating wealth or having some assets that will provide you for your future. Okay, so the idea is to start with that and spend some time, go out and meet professionals who can help you decide which direction you go. You do your own research and then come up with a plan of how you're gonna achieve that process. So property is one of the very big and one of the most accomplished ways of creating wealth in a long term. So that should also be one of your big considerations. Okay, so with that I want to just sign off on this video, but have a think about it, have some time off, even if you have to take a day off from your work, maybe every once a month for doing this. I think that will be worth it. I see a lot of people, oh, we can't come because for any like property investment or any kind of stuff, I can't come because I'm too busy with work, I'm too busy with work. Yeah, that's good, you're busy with work and you need to do what you need to do, but at the same time you also need to be able to sacrifice that one day or half a day for making an appointment with a professional who can guide you, who can give you information, and that half an hour, or sorry, that half a day or one day that you're going to invest for your future, it will be much more fruitful or profitable than you having to keep going to work every day and not thinking about your future. You can't let 3 years, 5 years, 10 years pass by without you having done something about your future too. All right, so with that I'm gonna sign off and we'll meet in the next video. Thank you.